course will not be complete if I haven't told you about rubber modeling mask. It's one of my favorite masks actually. And in case you're wondering what in the world rubber mask entails, they basically start as a thick gel-like substance, and it transforms into a peel-off rubbery mask that gives skin multiple beauty benefits in a very short amount of time. I normally am against of any peel-off masks, you know, those thin ones that you have to really take out, they really need to really remove violently from your skin. But rubber modeling mask is a different story. So what do? They actually provide long-lasting moisture that any type of skin, including oily and acne-prone skin, will benefit from. They remove impurities, re-energize and revitalize skin, and my favorite benefit is that they depuff. I believe we know about this product as a Korean beauty secret. If you know, I am from Russia, and we're very close to Korean beauty secrets, so to say, so rubber modeling mask is very popular. So it's easier to find it on the market, I would say, than in the States, for example, but it's possible. I will tell you which ones to look for. The ingredients vary, as well as the benefits, but the best benefit I love is that it reduces the swelling. That's why this mask is great for under eye area, and so often I see people just neglect this area when they use this mask. It works with circulation, helps acne-prone skin, as I've mentioned, but it doesn't dry it out. That's what I like the best. Now, I would suggest, and you can have a few masks. Say they have different benefits. One could be brightening, another one could be cleansing, and then you can have the moisturizing, right? So, and then you're all set, right? Because every skin needs some brightening, some cleansing, and moisturizing. I say it's best to buy it in bulk. It's cheaper. Just make sure you store it properly. If you go on Amazon and you put in rubber modeling mask, you will see a lot of products that are sold in bulk. They have good reviews. I've had a few of my own, and I am happy with the results. We've spoken about the ultrasound cleansing, and rubber modeling mask is a must. I would just say it like that. It's a must after the ultrasound cleansing or many other procedures. I will of course demonstrate to you how to properly use it, because what I see most of the times is not the way you use it. What we see most of the times is people put it on, run around with it, and it's very, very thin. That's not how it's supposed to be done. I will demonstrate, and you will be a pro in how to use a rubber modeling mask. But there are a few things that you need to consider. So first of all, the main rule is that once you apply the mask, you absolutely need to lay down during the procedure, and the procedure is good 20 minutes. So make sure you have time on your hands when you do it. Set a timer, because I recommend every time you use the mask, you apply it on the entire face. You know, you're already down there for 20 minutes, and the neck. So set a timer, lay down 20 minutes. I also suggest that you start with a course. So you start with the 10 masks. Say you do them every second day for 10 masks, and then you maintain the effect and use it once or 3 times a week. I love using rubber mask in the morning because of its depuffing benefits, but I understand that 20 minutes in the morning, it's a lot to ask. So in this case, any time will work. Say on the weekend, sometimes you know that you do have more time on your hands, so go ahead and try it in the morning. The only tool we will need for the rubber modeling mask application is a small bowl and a spatula, and there are even special sets sold, or you could, you know, figure out something on your own. So everybody has a small bowl in the kitchen, and you could obviously figure something out with the spatula. The biggest mistake, as I've mentioned, is that the layer they're applying is too thin. You will see it the way I do it. You need to really apply it well. Don't think that you will save for later. The layer has to be thick. This way, and only this way, the mask will be easily removed as one piece. Okay, maybe sometimes not one piece, it depends on the quality of the mask, but it has to be thick. I hope you will like the tutorial, and you will finally know how to use a rubber modeling mask, and you will be the one lucky person who will experience all the benefits.